And the January man, he goes around in woolen coat and boots of leather. The February man still shakes the snow from off his clothes and blows his hands. The man of March, he sees the spring and wonders what the year will bring, and hopes for better weather. Through April rain the man goes down towards the birds come in to share the summer. The man of May stands very still towards the children dance away the day. In June a man inside a man is young and wants to lend a hand and smile at each newcomer. In July the man in cotton shirt, he sits and thinks of being idle. The August man in thousands take the road to watch the sun sets by the sea. September man is standing near to settle up another year, and autumn is his bridal. The man of New October takes the rain and early frost is on his shoulder. The poor November man sees fire and mist and wind and rain and winter air. December man looks through the snow to let 11 brothers know they're all a little older. The January man, he comes around again in coat and boots of leather to take another turn and walk along the icy road he knows so well. The January man is here for starting each and every
roof for their head, the shoes for their feet. We wine them and dine them, they ate the wholemeal, and slept in the house of MacDonald. Oh, cruel is the snow that sweeps Glencoe and covers the grave O'Donnell. Oh, cruel was the foe that raped Glencoe and murdered the house of MacDonald. The cabal had ordered, King William's had signed, put all to the sword, the words on the line, and leave not the life of MacDonald. Oh, cruel is the snow that sweeps Glencoe and covers the grave O'Donnell. The foe that raped Glencoe and murdered the house of MacDonald. They came in the night when men were asleep, the band of Arcade, to snow soft and deep, like murdering foxes among helpless sheep. They slaughtered the house of MacDonald. Oh, cruel is the snow that sweeps Glencoe and covers the grave O'Donnell. Oh, cruel is the foe that raped Glencoe and murdered the house of MacDonald. In the bed and the head on the floor, some fled in the night, were lost in the snow. Some lived to accuse him, struck the first blow, but gone was the house of MacDonald. Oh, cruel is the snow that sweeps Glencoe and covers the grave O'Donnell. Oh, cruel was the foe that raped Glencoe and murdered the house of MacDonald. Oh, cruel was the snow that sweeps Glencoe and covers the grave O'Donnell. Oh, cruel was the foe that raped Glencoe and murdered the house of MacDonald. Well, an old man came courting me, hey, ding Durham down. An old man came courting me, Mealy Mignon. An old man came courting me, baby, you marry me, mates when you're young and with an old man. Because he got no fallorum, falling all my Durham. He got no fallorum, falling all day. I got leg over him, me living young. I threw my leg over him, and then he smiled him. That means when you're young, never wear an old man, because he got no falurum for little Iorum. He's got no falurum for little all day. He's got no falurum, he lost his ding durum. The mates when you're young never wear the old man. When he went to sleep, hey ding durum down. When he went to sleep, me living young. When he went to sleep out of bed, I did creep into the arms of a handsome young man. Come on! Then I found this falurum, found little Iorum. I found this falurum, found it all day. I found this falurum, and he got my ding durum. Yeah, so mates, when you're young, never wear an old man. And I found this falurum, found little Iorum.